So today we got the opportunity to spend some time with an executive who's very hard to get time with, Stella Li, who is Executive Vice President of BYD, the Chinese automaker. BYD is the only independent Chinese automaker and the largest Chinese automaker around the world. Their design and technology and pricing has proved to be quite popular with car buyers around the world. But proof of their success is not just in popularity with customers. One of their early investors was Warren Buffett. Testament to Stella Li's success as a leader is the fact that she was awarded this year's Person of the Year by the World Car Awards. She's clearly dynamic and forthcoming and innovative, and it was a real treat to get to spend some time with her.
I feel like a big honor. Finally, all this hard working, all this technology, all this innovation being recognized. The 1 million BYD employee working so hard, and then most importantly, our 120,000 R&D engineer. More than 10% of BYD employees are engineers. Working day and night, we produce 45 patents per working days. That's make a huge difference. The design very trendy and very stylish. Inside the car is very spacious, and then with all the technology you have for your more premium car. So for example, voice control and the ADAS system, and also you can have all the V2L. So you drive to any mountain, any place, you can use the car as a generator, cook a coffee for you, gaming, and also singing karaoke. So it's really very cool technology car with very stylish design, but it's accessible. You know, BYD started with battery company. Our dream in the day one is we want to do the electric car. We believe that is future. We tried the first electric car, not a success. We tried the second one, then we put it into taxi. So now we have to use all the technology to do electric buses, electric trucks, and the electric taxi. Then finally, we learn from the field, we improving our design, and now it's become today's result. Number one, new energy cars. Most importantly, the technology is reliable. BYD is looking for long-term growth. Anytime we go to any market, we need to think about how about 20 years, how about 50 years. Like you need to build this company for like 100 years in this country. We need to build a facility in Brazil. We're building the facility in Hungary. We'll start operation by end of this year. And the in Thailand facility already ramped up last July. So in the future, it's no longer exporting as many from China. We'll produce locally here. So for us, I think turning BYD to be more local company and produce locally is our target. And once we're doing that, I think our sales in each region will penetrate more.